So let's go ahead and try graphing this one. So what I would suggest is try it on your own first, and then hit play, see if you got the right answer. You can even skip to the end if you want to see the answer, and if you didn't get it right, then watch the whole video and try to figure out what you did incorrectly so you can get it right the next time on your own, because our goal is to get it right on our own. So first things first, I know this time it's going to look like an N because of that negative sign out front. Next thing, I want to write down my A, B, and C. Now I want to find out the x coordinate of my vertex. So I have x equals negative negative 6 over 2 times A, which is negative 1. Negative 3 for my x coordinate of my vertex. Now let's find that y coordinate of my vertex. So plug in negative 3 for all my x's. Now here's where some mistakes will happen. Negative 3 squared is 9, but then there's that negative out front, so it becomes negative 9. It's not negative is positive and then square it. No, you got to do what's in the parentheses first. That negative out in front is an afterthought. So I have negative 9 plus 18. That's positive 9 minus 6. So positive 9 minus 6 gives me 3. So my vertex is negative 3, comma 3. Let's plot it. I need to find 2 points to the left, 2 points to the right, and put them in my T-chart. So let's make that T-chart real quick. My vertex, negative 3, 3. 2 points to the left, I'm going to be at negative 4 and negative 5. 2 points to the right, I'm going to be at negative 2, negative 1. Now let's plug these bad boys into our function to figure out what our y coordinate is. So we're going to have to do that 4 times. Remember, you should see same numbers on each side of that 3 there. Let's do it. So let's check our values, make sure we got it right. Once again, yes, I do see the wonderful, wonderful symmetry here. We got the same numbers shown up again. So let's plot them. Now that we've got them plotted, connect the dots. That's the most fun part. We're like back to, elementary school, playing connect the dots, except for this time it's with math, so it's extra fun. And remember, it's a nice curvy line here. This is not a straight line of any kind. It's not like an absolute value function when you have that v. And if I see a v drawn on your paper when you're supposed to be doing a parabola, I'm going to mark it wrong. I'm going to let you know, hey, it's not a v. It's supposed to be more like a u or an n. Nice and curvy, No sharp edges here. We don't want to get hurt. No sharp edges on a parabola. All right. And lastly, let's talk about that axis of symmetry again, because I know we like talking about that even though the problem doesn't ask about it. Our axis of symmetry goes right through the vertex just like this. And my equation is x equal. Remember, it's an equation, not just a negative 3. It's x equals negative 3 for my equation of that axis of symmetry. And we love that axis of symmetry. Woo!